OnePlus Nord CE 5G specs leaked, will feature Snapdragon 750G and 6.4MP camera. OnePlus CEO Pete Lau confirmed the launch date of its upcoming Nord phone, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, in an interview recently. The company is all set to launch the device in India and Europe on the 10th of June. While Lau didn't reveal anything about the phone apart from the fact that it will boast 5G connectivity, a new Android Central report citing insider sources has revealed some of the key specifications. OnePlus Nord CE 5G with Snapdragon 750G. The CE in OnePlus Nord CE stands for Core Edition. According to the report, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G will feature a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. This is similar to what we have seen in the original OnePlus Nord from July last year. Where the upcoming Nord CE 5G differentiates itself from the original Nord is in terms of the chipset. Instead of the Snapdragon 765G, the upcoming Nord CE 5G will reportedly feature Snapdragon 750G SoC. We've already seen some devices with Snapdragon 750G chipset including the Mi 10i, Galaxy M42 5G, and Moto G5G. As far as the cameras are concerned, the report claims that the Nord CE 5G will feature a triple camera setup with a 6.4MP primary camera and 2 other sensors. For selfies, the company may use a 1.6MP front camera. The camera placement is said to be similar to what we've seen in the OnePlus 9 series. Considering the launch timeline, we could expect the device to run Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11. We will learn the complete specs, pricing, and availability deets when OnePlus launches the Nord CE 5G on June 10. So stay tuned for more updates.